In this video I will tell you how you can whiten your teeth at home with just 2 things. For this, you neither need any expensive dental procedure nor do you need to buy these whitening strips. This remedy is very effective and also very cheap. If your teeth have become a little yellow due to drinking tea or coffee or just with aging, then this remedy can be a great solution for you. After sharing the recipe of this remedy, I will also talk about oil pulling. Oil pulling is also very beneficial for cleaning gums and teeth. I will talk about this later. Then I will also share some information with you about leaky gums. If there is any wound in your gums, then the bacteria of this place can reach your blood, and it is also important for you to know this because if the bacteria go to the bloodstream, it can cause very big problems. It can be fatal. Now if you want to make your teeth very white, then only 2 things will be needed for this. The first thing is baking soda. It is available in any. You will get a packet of this for 50,600 rupees from the grocery shop. Baking soda gives a texture to the paste that you make and it will also clean your teeth. It is very beneficial in removing small stains and plaque present on the teeth. Second thing that you will need is hydrogen peroxide. You can get it from the nearest pharmacy or online. But a very important thing here is that you should not take the wrong hydrogen peroxide. You take the concentration of 3 to 6. Which means either 3 will be written on the bottle or 6. Should not take the formula of 15 or 40 because it is very strong. By the way, the whitening strips that are coming in the market these days have iron as their main ingredient. But you get these small strips for 4 rupees to 55,000. You do not need to buy these, and when you go to the dentist for whitening treatment, it becomes even more expensive, and concentrated hydrogen peroxide is also available in dental clinics. Sometimes, concentrations of up to 40% are used. This makes the teeth white quickly, but such a high concentration can damage your gum. Then, in some dental clinics, ultraviolet or red lights are also used, which intensify this chemical reaction. The side effect of these treatments is that it can damage your gums. Dehydration increases in the gums. This is why you often have toothache after these treatments, because the concentration is very strong. No doubt, the results come very quickly, but you should avoid any such treatment. Now, you have to prepare it like this. Take a small cup and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in it. Then take hydrogen peroxide and add 3 drops of hydrogen peroxide to it. After this, add about 8 drops of water to it and mix this mixture well. This mixture will break the bonds of these stains on your teeth. These stains are actually chains of molecules that form bonds with each other. These are linked together, and the oxygen present in hydrogen peroxide breaks this chain and clears the pigments from the teeth, and your teeth become white. This is what makes hydrogen peroxide so important. Then you have to take your toothbrush and gently polish the outer and inner parts of your teeth with this mixture. This will not only remove your stains but will also kill bacteria, and the plaque present on the teeth will also be reduced. Brush it for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it with water. Now, since the concentration of this mixture is much less than what dentists use, you have to use it every alternate day or once after skipping 2 days. I would suggest that you use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week and continue it for a few weeks so that you get the results you are looking for, and it is very effective. It will work. You will be surprised to see its results, and when you see the results, do share your experience in the comments. Do this whole process slowly. The purpose of this is that in this way there is no damage to your gums or tooth enamel, so this is a very simple process. Now let's talk about oil pulling. You might have heard about it on the internet. People put coconut oil in their mouth and swirl it in their mouth for some time and then throw it away. This is actually an old practice which is going on since ancient times. At that time people used to use not only coconut oil but also sesame oil, but the taste of coconut oil is a little better. It does not taste bitter. So you have to take a little coconut oil and keep it in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes. During this time, swirl it in your mouth. Coconut oil contains a lot of lauric acid, which is a powerful antimicrobial and reduces candida, especially the bacteria that cause bad breath. Now I will tell you about another even more interesting thing. The connection between sugar and vitamin C. The chemistry of sugar, i.e. glucose, is very similar to that of vitamin C. So when you eat a lot of sugar, so it goes into the body and competes with vitamin C. Both of them compete with each other to see who will reach the cells first, and when the sugar is high, it leaves vitamin C behind, and then vitamin C does not get a chance to reach the cells. What are its disadvantages? You might have heard about scurvy. This was a disease that sailors in the olden days suffered from. People who used to live in the sea for months because they did not get vitamin C in their food. One of the qualities of vitamin C is that it helps in collagen production. Collagen is an important protein in your body which strengthens the skin, gums and bones. If you are deficient in vitamin C, your gums start bleeding. When you brush your teeth, you can see this on your toothbrush as well. If you eat too much sugar or chew too much gum, glucose prevents vitamin C from being absorbed and vitamin C starts getting reduced from your body. Its result is seen in the form of bleeding gums, and this is an early sign. After this, things can get worse. Another disadvantage is that the cells present in your gums become weak, due to which the tissues present at this area become loose and small holes are formed here, and because of these small holes the disease-causing pathologies present in the gums can later harm the rest of the body as well. So this shows how important it is to stop these bacteria from entering the blood. I hope this information proves beneficial for you. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.